If you want to cancel your Skype free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you do it correctly and avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Sign into Skype. Go to the Skype website or open the Skype app on your device. Enter your account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or name, then selecting Account and Profile or Settings. Step 3. Find subscription information. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. Here, you will see details about your current Skype subscription, including the free trial. Step 4. Cancel the free trial. Locate the option to cancel your subscription or free trial. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read any information provided regarding the cancellation process. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from Skype. This will ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled and that you will not be charged. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Skype free trial and avoid any future charges. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to Skype support for assistance.